Why are you laughing? The way religious psychosis and religious abuse is flogging my people is crazy. It is a new year. We've not even spent... How many days? What date is today? Today is what? Today is 4th of January. I posted a Get Ready With Me on my TikTok. And some people are calling me Ekwensu. So in case if you don't know what Ekwensu is, Ekwensu means devil, Satan in Igbo language. Some of these people are so obsessed. They are suffering from religious psychosis. Religious psychosis is flogging the crap out of some of these people. It's crazy. I have said this so many times. A lot of these people are repressed homosexuals. I know this anyway. But why is it that you are so preoccupied with what gay people do? It's crazy to me. I am going to live my life regardless. I'm going to do what I am doing, what I need to do. I want to go and pick up a friend and see some friends and have some good time, because why not? I am not going to make myself small for people who are good for nothing. I'm going to always be juicy, moisturized and glowing, and I'm going to always live my life. I just don't get it. And some of these people will be like, oh, you are teaching people how to be gay. Nobody learns to be a homosexual, my darling. Nobody. You are either born a homosexual or you're not. How am I stopping you from living your life? Go and deal with your problems. We need some air in our tire, and at the same time we need to charge. We are charging in this Tesla supercharger to get the power of the car up, and then we'll go and put some air because the bar in the tire is really low. It's showing 2.7 and it has to be, I think, 2.9 or 2.8. I think that's how it works. We have 39% now. It's going to take about 30 minutes to get to 80% if we want it to be so, which I don't think we're going to do. I'm so sorry about the sound in the car because it's winter and the car is heating up. Okay, we're just going to do that. My baby has gone to use the toilet. He wants to pee. Thank goodness he's not busy here, because sometimes you get to a Tesla supercharger to charge the car and there's a lot of people and you're not able to plug in your car. So we're waiting. I am so hungry. I've not had breakfast. I only drank water. This is the water I drank. I need to get something to eat. Oh my goodness, there was so much traffic. Now there's no vehicle in front of us. Everything is just like smooth. But I was like, why is there so much vehicle going back? And it was like everyone is going back home. I became so nostalgic. Like I was thinking about when I was really young, when my parents were still alive and we traveled to the village for Christmas. We normally travel on the 15th of every December, and then we go back to Kanu on the 5th of January, sometimes on the 6th, or sometimes even to the 10th of January. That was a part of my life that I really enjoyed. I missed that. And my mom was saying to me, would you want to do that with your brothers? And I'm like, my brothers don't speak to me. So one of my brother maybe, and my sisters. I remember this particular year we went home, and this man from my village, his wife is white, and they came back with their children. They were going to the stream, and I loved going to the stream, like to go and fetch water. It was a time of innocence, a time of no struggles, no worries about paying bills. My parents did all the things for me. Maybe I just wanted to be a child again. I'm just joking. It's about family, it's about all of those things, and I really miss that. Those are the things that subconsciously I tend to miss, and this is something that a lot of us queer people tend to miss sometimes, because people tend to find out that you are gay and life becomes a lot more difficult for you, especially if you don't have chosen family. I just texted my friend. I will go to their parents' grave with them. Why are you laughing? I'm so hungry. What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
I'm hungry. So we went to the cemetery. We just left. We're going to go and get something to eat. How my days. It was a long day. I went to the cemetery with a friend of mine where his mom was buried, and then from there we went to a restaurant to get some food. I had this French toast that I got at this restaurant we went to, and it's really interesting. I would love to learn how to make something like that because it's really, really nice. We are at a Tesla supercharger station again. We want to charge for the last time. Favor and my man has gone to get coffee because my man said that the coffee at this station is really, really good. I really had a nice time with my friends and we picked her up. And she was telling me something about some Nigerians that knows that she knows me, and they were saying some weird things. I do not understand some of these our people. You said you don't like gay people. Gay people annoy you. They annoy the crap out of you. But here you are obsessed with me. It is crazy. The number of people who call me Satan, devil, that I'm going to go to hellfire, that I'm promoting homosexuality and things like this is crazy. I'm so sorry the sound in the car because the car has to warm up. It is crazy. I do not understand for the life of me why you will be engaging with someone that you don't like. We are going to have to charge this to about 60%. We have 21%, so it's going to take about maybe like 15 minutes to get the car to charge to the extent we want it to be before we go. I am going to go and join them now to see what we can get. I don't drink coffee like that, but I will try and get something else. I just got back. We took forever to get back. I have a headache. I've only had one meal today. I need to go and eat. I am so freaking hungry and tired and cold, and it's been a long day and my lips are dry like crazy. As I was saying earlier, because Favor was telling me about some of these people that are very curious and some of them actually live in some parts of Europe, and they were saying that if they happen to see me anywhere, they will attack me, yada yada yada. They are not going to do anything. Make sure to join the movement for freedom, visibility and representation. This is the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. We are doing what needs to be done. Join the movement. Go listen to the podcast. The podcast is called Igbo Queer and Unfiltered Podcast. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.